We finally just hit actually 2% on the trade. Shall see. Holy crap, is absolutely smashing right now. Let's go. Good job, Powell. Powell's putting in that work. What's good, YouTube? I hope you guys have all had a fantastic weekend. I had a very good weekend. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded, but I've been really busy with school, and we're coming towards the end of the semester, so we've got a bunch of exams coming up. I've got projects I've got to do and stuff like that. So decided to take a little break and focus on my schoolwork, but I was still trading during that time. This video is gonna be a good one. I'm filming this after the week has already been done, just because I decided to start filming midway through the week. So with that being said, I've got to run to go do some stuff, but I do have time to pray with us. I do not have time to read. But if you have not spent time with God today, let's spend some time with Him right now. Let's talk to Him, and yeah. So let's bow our heads. God, thank you for this day. I want to say that we are all grateful to be alive, God. You have given us the blessing of life, of the ability to breathe air. We should be thankful that some of us are able to walk, that we're able to run, jump, and go about this life and live in the beautiful world that you have created. God, I want to pray that all of us traders that are going on this journey of trying to become successful and make it, I pray that you would give us the knowledge to continue to learn and grow as a trader. I also pray that you would give us the resilience to keep battling and to keep coming to the markets day in and day out when the market may not be going our way. And I pray that you will help us to keep putting you first as we go about this journey. In Jesus' beautiful name, I pray. Amen. Alright, y'all. Let's hop into the video for the week. What's good, YouTube? I hope you guys have all had a fantastic day today. I've had a really good day. It's been a minute since I've posted. I've been extremely busy with school. It is coming towards the end of our semester, so I gotta get busy and stuff like that. I'm actually about to hop in class right now. I got in this trade, and I want to walk you guys through it. And also, we're gonna sit and watch what Powell says in a minute and a half. We got news coming out. Let's take a look real quick while I log into class. So we hopped in UJ, and give me 1 second. One sec. All right, we're in class. Let's take a look at the trade. So look at the daily and let's start with the weekly. As you can see, incredibly bullish on the weekly time frame. So let's drop down to the daily and see what we're working with. Daily time frame. When I hopped in this trade on Sunday, right? Sunday night, Monday morning ish. As you can see, we were bullish. Draw it out our structure. Boom, 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 boom. Shifted bullish. High, low. And now here we are, right? Let's get rid of this. Let's drop down to the 4 hour, see what we're looking like, right? I noticed over here we kept hitting our head over and over and over again. Oh, looks like Powell's talking already. Powell's talking. Anyways, we kept hitting our head, came up, broke above once, twice, 3 times, then we came down. So I marked this up as a resistance area, and I waited for price. When I came to the markets on Sunday, looked like this. Waited for price to break, retest, enter, and now here we are. One thing that I've learned this week, well, over the past couple weeks, is to trade in the trend, trade along with the trend for one, but like visibly seeing the trend. As you can see, like you can clearly sell, like especially on the daily time frame, we are in this huge bullish uptrend here, and price is just staying within it, right? Trade within this trend, like we know we're going to the upside without a doubt. Just wait for the 4 hour to give you the opportunity to do that, right? Which is exactly what I waited for. Resistance area, price started going in that upward trend, and now I'm just riding the wave, right? That's all it is, bro. That is all it is. So Powell's speaking. I'm gonna let Powell do his thing. I'm not gonna do too much with it. Take a look at the profit so far. We're up about 200 bucks. The other thing that I realized is all of my trades that I've been journaling. Oh wait, that's not right. My stop loss is like right here. So the big thing that I noticed is that every time I would take my trade and I would lose, stop loss would get hit, continue in my direction. So I wanted to make sure that that was not going to be the problem at all. So what did I do? I placed my stop loss below the last possible low. Like I knew if price came all the way down here, which is, I don't want to delete my alert now, which is over 130 pips, right? But I gave it a little bit extra room and put it below this psychological round number of 151,900. So I knew if price took me out, I was completely wrong. So I'm gonna start doing that from now on with my trades. And then yeah, so I also scaled in on this trade, as you can see. Price went up in my favor. I waited for price to give me 2 candlestick pullbacks roughly, and I wanted to see a good candlestick pullback, so I got this one. So we had right here, let's go ahead and delete this, right? We entered here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, with a big wick pull down. I didn't really like this one. So then after here, what did I do? I just went down to the 30-minute time frame and found where we were consolidating at, or the last high, which is right here. Price took it out with a bullish engulfing, and I entered. So now this trade is running. I would have scaled in again. Well, possibly I can scale in tonight, London session, or New York tomorrow. Today is Thursday though, so don't really know what I plan to do with that. But the trade is going very, very smooth right now. It's fitting. I've been on a losing streak since I took UJ in September, and I'm taking UJ right now, and UJ's treating me well. So we shall see what happens. I'm going to film the rest of this as the week goes on. I also think that, like, psychologically, me posting my trades, or like what I'm looking at for the week, was also hindering my trading, because whatever I showed you guys, I was thinking like, okay, I need to take this trade because I told people I was going to take it, right? So I don't think I'm going to do that anymore, showing my trades. I'm probably just going to post videos about trading, things that I'm learning to keep you guys in the loop of my journey, right? And then I will film my week and film me in and out of the trades throughout the week, showing my mentality, what I'm thinking, that kind of stuff. And yeah, hopefully we'll start seeing more trades just like this one. I mean, look at this beautiful, beautiful trade, straight to the upside. And yeah, so I also had another couple other pairs marked up for the week. Euro GBP was one of them. I had marked that we were in a bearish trend, right? And I wanted price on Sunday, which when we came to the markets, we were like this. So I drew a box like this, but I just deleted it because price absolutely obliterated it. So we were looking like this on the daily time frame, right? Broke below it on the daily. I wanted us to pull back and then head down to the downside. Obviously that did not happen. And now Tuesday we pulled up. So when it came up to retest, obviously structure has now been broken, right, to the upside on the 4 hour. So I'm not really looking to trade it right now until the 4 hour shifts bearish again. As you can see, shifted bullish after this bullish engulfing. So we've shifted bearish, actually, yeah, we shifted bearish now. And now we're retesting this area. But this will be more of a next week trade to possibly continue to take this down to the downside. Because we can see on the daily time frame, it needed to have a retrace, which is beautiful. It came up and just retested a little bit higher, that's all. So continue to set and forget, and possibly look at taking this trade next week. But yeah, looking at possibly taking that. Then my last trade was Euro CAD as well. As you can see, long bearish trend. We're in these in between these lines, so I'm looking to possibly trade. Trade is continuously going down to the downside. So what does that tell me? I wanted the trade when we came here. First off, on the weekend, we can see that this is a very respected area. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. I wanted a clear break and close on the daily time frame. Then on the 4 hour, I wanted us to pull back up and retest. Did not happen. So not looking at trading that, but it would have been a beautiful trade if it did happen. If I wanted to hop into it, I would have like had to hop in here on this consolidation here. 30-minute time frame, right? See, we got a bullish engulfing. Entering us coming out of this. Enter like this. Go out to 4 hours, see where we're gonna put our stop loss, right? That's a little too close for me, so I would possibly just put it above the highs up here, like so. Gives us about 80 pips. 1 to 2, easy. 1 to 2. Just like so. And we just ride this to a 1 to 3, just like so. And I could have scaled in multiple times throughout this process here. For like here, for example, boom, stop loss here, an extra 1%. But now price is starting to break to the upside. So shall see. Holy crap, UJ is absolutely smashing right now. Let's go. Good job, Powell. Powell's putting in that work. So yeah, we finally just hit actually 2% on the trade. About $4 away, but we're pushing up. I did take this on the personal account as well. Let's take a look at where we're up right now. We're up about 50 bucks, which is beautiful. Making back some of the progress that we've lost over time. So we will continue to keep it pushing, y'all. Oh, let me join my breakout room real quick. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. That's about it. I will catch you guys with some form of update in a little bit, possibly sometime tonight. Yeah, sorry, this might be a little bit of a shorter video just because I did not film this entire week of me getting into the trade and stuff like that. But I did just show you everything that I did do to get into my trade. The only thing I did not show you is when I entered. I did not saw this break. I should have entered up here, but I was asleep. So when I woke up again, price came right to my box. So I just entered right then and there and rode throughout here, and we shot up. That's what we're looking like on the 30-minute time frame. And this is what Powell's doing right now. Let's go. Woo! Alrighty, y'all. I will see you guys all sometime for an update. What's good, YouTube? It is Friday. Doing a little trade update. I am officially out of UJ. Let's just pull it up. Boom. We were going up in that bullish trend like normal. And yesterday we were somewhere around here. I don't want that up. Somewhere around here when price was still going good in our favor. And I said if price broke structure, I would in fact get out of the trade. That's exactly what happened. We were going up. Higher, higher, low. Higher, higher, low. Higher, lower, low. Price is broken. So I got out sometime at 4 or something this morning. When I noticed, well, first off, I just woke up and decided to check the chart. So luckily I checked it when I did. Otherwise we would be still in this. And so yeah, I did go from like $300 in profit to about, I think I made $134 instead. Let's take a look here. 122 on this account, and then switch accounts. 134 on that, so about 250 plus whatever we made from this position. P&L, let's see. Made about 26. Yeah, 26 bucks. So, you know, not horrible, not bad at all. Take it. A win is a win. Around $270 in profit. So we will take it for what it is and keep it going. So the losing streak is finally over, thank God. UJ treated us well. Just sucks that we had such a big bearish engulfing candlestick. I did know like that the daily time frame had to come back at some point to retest, so I probably should have taken my profits knowing that that was going to happen. Might have been a little bit of greed in here. Excuse me. because I was up over 1%. I was up over almost 3% on this trade at one point. So hey, live and you learn. We'll take that for the next time. But things we did learn this week that we'll be applying into next week: only taking trades that are in a channel, clearly like this, for example. You can see that over time, we can see that UJ, like I explained, is in this big bullish channel. So we're only going to be looking for buys until this channel is broken. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, I saw that we were in, you know, this little micro channel. We're going up along with the bigger channel, right? But then we were going in this channel, for example here. Move that a little bit. Boom. We were in this channel. That channel was broken, so now we're going to wait for price to give us a new one, which was started here, right? Started like so. Price came back down. Then we noticed what? What did we notice? In the past, that price kept hitting its head once, twice, 3 times, went down, broke through that, did not hold, so we wanted price to break, retest, enter. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Textbook. I would take that trade, you know, 10 times out of 10 times, again, over and over again. So now we're gonna replicate it going on into the coming weeks, and yeah. So I know this was a little short video. I did not film the entire week, but I did film the trade. So I will do this again starting next week, but actually film the entire thing like normal. But I just won't be posting the trades that I'm looking at going into the week. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and leave a comment on the video. And in the meantime, remember that I love you, God loves you, and I will see you guys in the next video.